Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a great song by Counting Crows, Mr. Jones. An oldie, but a goodie. Alright. So we're in standard tuning, and this song is cool for semi-beginners too. We don't have any bar chords, so that's great. The song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. You got F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I play F. We got D minor. 1, 2, 3. And we got G major. Right, so that's the verses. A minor to F. D minor to G. A minor to F. This time we go from F to G. A minor to F. D minor to G. A minor to F and G. So that's the verses. So first time F, D minor, G. Second time, every second time A minor, F, straight to G. Okay, and the strumming. So here we got a C major. 1, 2, 3. So C major, F major, G. Mr. Jones and me. Another verse. A minor, F, D major, G. A minor, F, and G. A minor, F, and G. Come on, chorus. We have the breakdown. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, F major, A minor, 2, 3. That's the whole breakdown. A minor, however long that is, stay on G. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, so that's pretty simple. What a fantastic tune. I always loved the song. So let's review everything before we end the lesson. Verses: A minor, F major, D minor, G. A minor, F major, G. Chorus: C major, F major, G. Breakdown: A minor, F, A minor, and G. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Take care.